Hey everyone, welcome to this Blender tutorial for beginners. Today, we're going to learn how to create cloth simulations from scratch. Go to Add and select Mesh Cube. Again, go to Add and select Mesh and Plane. Press S and scale up the plane, and move the plane above the cube. Select the cube. Go to the Physics tab and click on the collision to add the collision property to the cube. Select the plane again and click on the cloth to add a cloth simulation to the plane. At this point you won't see much happening, but that's okay for now. Select the plane again and press Tab key to go to Edit Mode, and now right-click and subdivide. One more time. This will divide the plane into smaller sections, which will provide more detail for the cloth simulation. Increase the number of cuts to add more detail. The more cuts you add, the more complex and realistic the cloth simulation will be. Smooth the cloth. Select the plane. Once the cloth simulation is set up, right-click the plane and choose Smooth. Add a subdivision surface modifier. To do this, go to the Modifiers tab, click Add Modifier and select Subdivision Surface. This will further smooth the cloth and give it more detail.